We are gonna unbox the Fluval 9-gallon. So let's take a look at the box. Here's some features of it. Adjustable dual output, infrared sensors for the lighting, easy open feeder, and then honeycomb, and then curved design for the front. And then the seamless integration of the water heater and filtration system. And then here's the lighting one, and we're just gonna take a look at it. There's a friendly species recommended for this. Sorry, my braces are getting annoying. Let's take a look at it. So yeah, here's the tank itself. There's the lighting on it. This tiny little reader. This is open, there's no cap. This you can take off if you want, the honeycomb. And then here's the filter. This is easy to take off right about there. Okay, here's the flow. Here's the black carbon. Pretty big. Fits in there. It came in there like that. Okay, and then here's the other one. I'm new to fishes. Our pig just destroyed our other one. Somehow she tipped over the tank. Not really sure. Here's the lighting. We'll take a look at it after. Here's the pump. Okay, and here's the instructions. So if you want to read through it, here, take a look. It did come with a mat. There is the mat right there. Take a look around with the mat. There's the back. We'll take a look at the inside too. Here's the lighting. Let's see. Right there. There it is upside down. It is waterproof right there. Looks like you could somewhat take it off. Goes there. There's a cable. There's the LEDs. Let's turn it on. Let's see what it looks like. And let's take a look at the inside first. So yeah, there's the inside. Looks like over here is silicone. Looks fine. And here's this side silicone. Looks like only the top is. And then here's the inside. And these could come off right here, around there. There's the size of those. And then you take off the bottom one. There's the inside for that. Bottom, here's a, if you can see, there's a cutout right there. That's weird. Wonder if that's supposed to be like that. Yeah, it looks like it. It's bent like there, as you can see. So yeah, let's take a look at the lighting. Color age. Nope, That'll reach. So there's lighting. There's white. White off. There's the blue. Let's see. There's a red, green. There's a lightning, I think. Let's see. Oh, that's a night. There's the lightning. There's no sounds. Yeah, there's a lightning. There's a cycle. So the whites are on the outside, and the colors are on the inside. So yeah, that's about it. And let's see. Here's the instructions again. How to install. If you guys are missing it, take a look at it. There's a heater placement they recommend. Remote control. Maintenance. I still don't know how to take this off. You guys know how? Leave me a message. Leave a comment. And then here's a median that you're supposed to replace. I didn't even know you're supposed to replace these. But yeah, and then there's replacement parts. If you need those, I didn't even know that was on there. Technical specs. Braces are annoying. So yeah, oh, there's a 15 gallon. There's a 9 gallon. The pumps are different. Recycling. Limited warranty. Let's see what it guarantees. And then here's the other info. So yeah. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or anything, message me. Like and subscribe.